hang on, Scotty. Scotty, we're going to do box repairs. Leave the watch on, please,
repair.
Scotty.
Okay,
We're doing now, what's happened? Tell me what's happened. This is a box repair video for all the fuckers out there. This is your IWC Ingy.
Yes.
What's happened? What the fuck's happened, Scotty?
Well,
tell me what's happened. What's happened?
You have a look.
Tell me the story. Give me the story.
I think
Put it
you've
under the
seen this
camera.
happen before,
Yes,
haven't you?
yes. Here, put that on your other wrist.
Okay.
Put that on your... And Scotty, come here. Come over here. Scotty,
What are you
Scotty,
doing, man? What are
Scotty,
you
turn
doing?
around. Turn around. You got to put it on your wrist. Is that... You got to shove it in there, Scotty.
Yeah.
We don't want to get... Okay, so Scotty, put this on the other wrist, okay? Put that on the other wrist. Okay, so
We'll
this
have
is...
to do a comparison, this between the in-house 3227.
Yes, yes. I've got that here.
Yeah.
So what's happened is the bottom part has fallen off the box. Look at this.
Yes.
Well, how the fuck did this happen? You weren't careful. You were fucking around with it.
Look,
That's what was happening.
It was just a tight squeeze in the cardboard box.
Tight squeeze. Now,
And when I was trying to
the
get it
best
out,
way
this
to
came
fix
out.
this, the best way to fix this, Scotty, is using a bit of this Aquadia.
Yep.
What do they call it? PV. What the fuck is it called? PVD.
Sellers
PVA.
will fix
PVA.
it.
PVA
You
glue.
can tell, look, they've only put a few squirts of...
PVA. So I use a bit of this glue here. So what the answer is, right? You don't want to use too much, but a little bit of a, often around the big protruding things.
Yep.
Right. Give it a little bit of a squirt there. Right. And then what else we can do is on the other end, it's got the raised bits here. So you put a little bit of glue on them because they're going to touch the base.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Here we go. Now this stuff, this glue here is a real bitch if you get it in the wrong spot.
Mm-hmm.
So you get this wrong, you've fucked it. Okay,
Yes.
let me just say that to you. You get it wrong, you've fucked it. The good thing about this glue is you can actually dilute it with water, but it's still pretty fucked. Okay, so now we're gonna push this in. So all we're gonna do now is which end's the front and which end's the back.
Oh, hang on. It's got Well, no. Oh,
Doesn't really matter.
yeah. That should be.
Okay, let's fuck it. Put the cunt on.
Well,
It's a bit late now, isn't it? This is, you know. Okay, there we go. That's it. So now all you got to do now is
I think we might have put it on the.
we put it the wrong way.
I am a bit of a perfectionist, actually. Yes, it is.
Okay,
it's on the wrong way.
so fuck,
Just
Scotty.
before it
sets.
sets.
Always a fucking pain
You're
in the
not a
ass.
perfectionist.
Scotty, you fuck it up, see, because now you've got glue protruding all over these fucking things here. Fucking hell, Scotty. Okay. There we go, it's fixed.
Okay.
So
done.
now it takes 24 hours to cure.
Rightio.
So don't open it for 24
No.
hours because you're going to put pressure on it.
That's fine.
Which could fuck it up. So there,
Yep.
it's nothing leaking. I would normally just
No.
leave that out, but you can put it back in.
Now,
there.
what does that tell you about these Swiss luxury timepieces?
Well,
and
no,
their
all
boxes?
it just says is IWC. They just look. They just these boxes here. The problem is these boxes are made to look
Expensive.
good. How come that doesn't close properly, Scotty? Look. What? Why is there a gap there?
No, that's how it is.
That's how it is?
Yeah, yeah.
It's always been like
Yeah,
that.
no,
Okay.
yours has that as well.
Okay, fucking... Okay, let's just put that away, Scotty. It's
Okay.
giving me the fucking shits. So that's how you
Rightio.
do box repair
Yes.
with a bit of PVA glue. I use Sally's Aquadia, but in America, you fuckers will probably have some other fucking glue which you can use there. Don't get that bitch on your fingers because it's sticky as shit. We'll put it back in here, Scotty, so it's all packed away. And then you can put it back in your bag. So then it doesn't get fucked up and you don't leave it here by mistake. And just put it in there, Scotty.
Oh, I've got my box over there.
No, that's your box there.
Yeah, but I've got the bag over there with other crap in it.
Okay. Okay, Scotty. So give that to me. I'll put it in.
Next unboxing.
Next, another unboxing. Okay, thank you, Scotty. Watch box repairs with Sally's.
Okay. Can't take my eyes on me. My thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
Hey guys, my name is Paul Pluta. I'm the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3. Guys, I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. It's very hard running a YouTube channel relying on Google Ads alone. I'm in a special niche and I speak my mind, and I don't have all those Seiko wannabes, all the people who want assurance about their affordable shitters. So I've got to really try hard to bring in the revenue. Guys, if you like my content, if you think I'm a great chap to have around, why don't you help me out? There's a number of ways you can help me out. This will keep me full-time on YouTube. Look in the description of this video for some ways you can help me. You could sponsor me on Patreon. That allows you to send a small monthly amount to me every month. It can be $1, it can be $100, whatever you can afford. The next way you can help me is, well guys, I really need some money to keep things going. Paid reviews. On the Paul Pluta channel, I run paid reviews. For as little as $20 US, I'll give you an opinion of your collection, of what you're looking at. I'll try and answer. There's heaps of other ways you can help me. I do telephone consultancy. For $50 US, I will talk to you on Skype or WhatsApp and answer your horological or personal problems. Any questions, I'll give it a go. Now guys, please help us out. Look down below, and if you could help us out, I will stay here and make videos full time on YouTube.